Boomer here with the Knowledge is Ammo channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I got a product in I'm going to be testing and evaluating called Big Wipes. Big Wipes is a heavy-duty textured scrubbing wipe that I saw online, and I sent them a message and I said, hey, can I test and evaluate this product for you, because they're making some pretty big claims on their channel and in their videos that they can remove a lot of different products when it gets on your hands that I didn't believe was possible. So I sent them a message and they said, no problem. We'd be happy to send you a sample and you can test it and just tag us in your social media and let us know what you thought. So they come in multiple different types. They have a flyer they sent me. You can see there. They have heavy duty, multi-surface, multi-purpose, some sprays, and it's absolutely amazing what they claim these wipes will do. We're actually going to put this to the test right now and see what these things claim they'll do, because they actually claim they'll clean paint, adhesive, polyfoam or expanding foam, and if anybody's used expanding foam, you know how sticky that stuff is, and when it gets on your hands, how hard it is to get off. Silicone, gap fillers, oil, grime, and more. So we're going to go ahead and put this to the test. They sent me some single-use samples as well. So we're going to go ahead and try this. I have a can of expanding foam here. I won't show the brand of it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to spray this on my hands. You see we got a nice big glob of it there. And we're going to go ahead and just rub this around. Oh my gosh, is that sticky. Oh, wow. I mean, it's super sticky. It's really, really sticky. I don't know how you'd get this off. I know water sure wouldn't get this off. So we're going to take one of the single-use wipes here. We're going to open this up. And it does have a textured side. We're just going to go ahead and start rubbing this around. And you can tell immediately it starts pulling this stuff off. Wow. It's foaming up from the ingredients that are in the towel. I can't believe this, guys. Just like that, this stuff is pretty much off my hands. I'll get a paper towel here. That, if you were to take a paper towel and put it on your hands with PU foam on there, expanding foam, it would pretty much rip the paper towel to shreds. Just like they said in their video. Wow. It's not sticking or anything. That is unbelievable. That is absolutely unbelievable. I'm kind of at a loss here. I didn't know if I expected that to work as well as it did. But, wow. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try something else here. I have a chrome spray paint. Spray paints in general are notorious for not coming off your hands, but if you ever use chrome spray paint, it seems to be a bit of a worse offender. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to spray this across my hand. You can see there, back of my hand is now chrome. We're going to use the same wipe we just used, because they claim that you can keep using the same wipe. If you can't see that, my hand is now nice and chrome. We're just going to start rubbing it in, or rubbing it. Wow. And you can see it on the towel. It's in that towel. But it's not on this hand. It doesn't, just like they claim, it doesn't transfer over to your other hand while you're working on it. This is crazy. I mean, this is one of those things that you truly wouldn't believe until you got it and used it. You know, I can't see any more chrome on my hands. You can see that's nice and normal on that side. There's nothing that transferred over onto this hand. My hands aren't sticky. I'll wipe them with the towel. The towel doesn't stick. Wow. That's absolutely unbelievable. So, big wipes. If you haven't given these things a try, check these things out. I'll put a link to these in the description of this video and to their social media so you can give these things a try. I'm going to go ahead and give these things some more scrutiny. I'll do another video on these things, way more in depth. Finding some black silicone, because it says it removes silicone. They use black silicone and it just keeps removing that. And we'll keep seeing how much we can torture these things and how much they'll test. But I just want to do a quick video as soon as I got this to see right out of the box how well this worked. And I'm sold on these things. I'm just a bit out of words for how well these are working. So give these a look, check them out on the website, and yeah, big wipes. They completely have done so far what they said they'll do. Anyway, this is Boomer with the Knowledge is Ammo channel. Remember, knowledge is ammo for life.